Good morning. This is David in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and today I am giving a little bit of an update on a project for my wife's truck, her new Chevy Silverado Z71 1500. This morning, about 77 degrees here in Chattanooga. I installed the DualLiner bed liner. Honestly, took maybe 30 minutes. I did throw the bed liner out in the sun while I got everything ready. It fits extremely well, goes on easily. Maybe the hardest part is just dealing with the floor mat because it's pretty heavy duty. I'm actually very impressed. Thought I'd show you here all the tools I used. Basically a Torx screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, got my knife to cut the box open, and that was it. Literally 30 minutes. Great fit, looks great, and look forward to using it. Thanks, DualLiner.